If your iPad screen won't rotate, okay, if you're turning it around, then first of all, the very first thing to check is just swipe down the control center and make sure this is not selected. Okay, the screen lock is not selected. Just tap on it to unselect it, and now try rotating the screen again, okay, and see whether the issue gets resolved or not. So it's working now, it's rotating. Okay, now even if this is not selected and your screen is not rotating, then it may be a app issue. So for example, there may be some app which may not rotate as expected. So try to force close that particular app. If there is an app, just try to force close that app and then open it again. Also, you can restart your iPad and then see whether this issue gets resolved or not. Now, if it is still not working, then what you can do, you can just go to App Store and download this software Sensors Toolbox. Okay, and now just open it. And now you can see that if the accelerometer and the gyroscope, if both the values of all the XYZ values are not 0, then your sensors are working perfectly. But if these values, if any of these values XYZ is equals to 0 in accelerometer or gyroscope, then your sensors are damaged, and you may try contacting the service center and try fixing this hardware issue. If this is also not working, then you can try updating your iPad to the latest version. So how to do this? Just first of all, just go to settings, okay, and now go to general and go to software update and try to update your iPad to the latest version, and then restart and see whether this issue gets resolved or not. Also, some of the older version of iPads have a side switch. Okay, I don't have it, but some of the older version have a side switch in it. Try to check that side switch and try to move the side switch to a different position and then see whether this issue gets fixed or not. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video and subscribe to our channel.